Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about a $10,000 primary trade line, but we're going to talk about several installment trade lines today. The reason being, a lot of people know or may not know if you had AG Jewelers, guess who bought the accounts? Intrigue Fine Jewelers bought the AG Jewelers account. So that means if you paid the $149.99, that means you're a member of Intrigue Fine Jewelers. And so I'm going to go over this today because there seems to be a little miscommunication from previous videos. And welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Thank you so much once again for being here. We're going to get right into it today because here's the $10,000 line of credit that you can receive from Intrigue Fine Jewelry. And please notice on the left-hand side, all AG Jewelers accounts have been purchased and are being serviced by Intrigue Fine Jewelry. That is the first thing, AG Jewelers. So if you have an account with AG Jewelers, the account has been transferred to Unique Fine Jewelers. So therefore you can log in using this icon, this person icon. If you remember your login credentials, you can always do the forgot password as well. If you have any questions, you can also hit the contact at the top right, contact Intrigue Fine Jewelry. It's that simple. In case you haven't signed up with AG Fine Jewelers and you would like to become a member of Intrigue Fine Jewelers, where you'll have a line of credit once again up to $10,000. But keep this in mind. There's only a certain number of applications that will be approved per month, up to 3,000. Just so you know. Once it cuts off, nobody else can apply until the following month, and it runs from the first of the month to the last day of the month. That's the first thing. The second thing, you pay a $149.99 fee. That's your membership fee. All right? It's that simple. With the membership fee, that allows you to order up to $10,000, but you do have to put down 20%. No hard inquiry. They will do a soft inquiry. And then after you make 2 or 3 monthly payments, then it will post to your credit file. That's how it works, ladies and gentlemen, in a nutshell. Now, there's a lot of people who had AG Jewelers. Then you're thinking the old way. Do not think the old way, because the old way the credit bureaus canceled you. You have to pay the membership fee. Then you have to actually be making payments, and then they're going to post it. So if you think that just because you have paid previously the $149.99 and it's going to post on your credit file, that is not going to happen. Just so you understand. That is why the credit bureau stopped all the rest of the Ox Publishing, Hunt and Chase, My Jewelers, and so on. Because now it's a different era, all right? Credit card agencies, credit bureaus, they are going to get a lot tighter on what they're going to be able to report. So just keep that in mind. Now, I will make this simpler for you. The link is down below if you would like to start getting your credit improved. All right. And it's that simple. See, steps to apply for the $10,000 line of credit. Submit to Intrigue Fine Jewelry credit application. Soft inquiry. Shop from our selection of thousands of fine jewelry pieces, watches, and more. Here's the other thing. You can pay the $149.99 membership fee. You do not have to place an order immediately. You will not have anything reporting, but just keep in mind, you pay the $149.99, you have a year that you can actually then order. So I'm just letting you know, just because you pay the membership fee, again, I'm going to repeat this, no Tradeline is going to be reporting until you order, and then after you make 2 or 3 monthly payments, then it starts reporting on-time payment history every 30 days. That is what's happening. All right. Now, check out and pay only 20% of the item price plus a one-time $149.99 membership fee. So in other words, those of you who are with AG, if you need to contact Intrigue Fine Jeweler and you're not in the back office or whatever happened, you can now just go and say, you know what? I want to go buy this item, but you do have to put 20% down. That's what it takes. I keep saying it. Get instantly approved for a credit line of $10,000. And then again, number 5, go to my account, click on Begin e-signature to complete the membership application. Go to purchase orders and sign your purchase receipt. It's that simple. All right. So just again, I wanted to make this simple for you, and it's an installment trade line. Now, let's get into some other installment trade lines. Hopefully, that answers a few questions that people have had. And if not, you can ask in the comments section down below. Credit Strong. They've been updating a little bit. They have personal and business, but today we're talking personal credit. They have installment trade lines as well. And so you have plans that could start like $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, $10,000. That trade line will be on your credit report and work the same similar way, except Credit Strong and Self-Lender, you're actually paying, but you're building up a savings account along the way. So Self-Lender and Credit Strong work the same way. The links are down below if you want to explore that opportunity, because basically, in fact, there's something here that they had. You can see the installment trade lines, the Magnum trade line. The Magnum trade lines mean it's a higher trade line. Like if you want to do $10,000, it'll be $110 per month is what your payment would be. They're going to report pretty much 90% of what needs to be reported, right? The installment trade line, it'll get you the on-time payment history. It will get you your age. The longer you have it, the better it is, showing your on-time payments. So you're going to have basically everything except what a revolving trade line is not. And here's another reason why Credit Strong is about to get better over here on the right-hand side. Notice Revolve coming soon. Instantly bill revolving credit, and that'll be another bucket that you'll be able to tick off, because that will be your debt utilization window. And that'll help you. Installment trade lines do not help with your debt utilization, but it helps with almost everything else. But when they add the revolving, that's going to be special. So again, the link is down below if you want to get into Magnum installment trade lines. They've separated into buckets instead of just having it under one. And again, you're just going to pay monthly, and you have a savings account. Once you reach that savings account, then you can withdraw the money, and it's on your credit report showing positive credit history. That's what you want. So this helps a lot of people. Now, here's one thing that I've always loved about Self-Lender. Self-Lender does the same thing that I just spoke about. But the difference is Self-Lender already has in their system where you can actually get a revolving secured credit card. So the savings, when you're building up your savings account with Self-Lender, once it reaches a certain number, only a couple of $100, you can transfer part of your savings over into the secured credit card. And now you could have your installment trade line reporting and the revolving secured credit card reporting at the same time. So now you can get 2 for 1. This has always been a feature of Self. So that's why I've always been an affiliate. So please use the link down below if Self Lender would be more your speed. Now, we had Jimena Cortez on from Smart Credit. Smart Credit does not issue credit, but instead it helps you to keep better track of your credit scores and at the same time, as it says here, control your future credit score, because they show in the background, due to their credit score tracker, their credit builder, their credit boost, it actually shows when you pay a certain credit card or installment trade line. It'll help you say, okay, if you pay by this date, your credit could improve by this amount. If you pay off this amount, your credit could improve by this amount. So it keeps you in real time what you need to do on a daily, weekly basis. And it's $24.95 a month. You use the link down below in the description to find out more, and you will get a small discount, whether it's $1, $2, or $3. They kind of fluctuate it, so it could be $23.95, $22.95, but we have a special small discount that you will be paying per month. This also, you will see all 3 credit bureaus with the $24.95 program. All right, just keep that in mind. So that is very, very powerful. They have privacy insurance in case you get hacked, so to speak, right? Insurance fraud, identity theft fraud. They have that for you and everybody in your household as long as you are a member. That is beautiful. You see other things. Money manager, which again, money management is key to better credit as well. And here we are now. It appears that the premium membership may have come down even more, which I didn't even know. Membership snapshot, if this is the price, because I don't know if this is the pricing. I didn't click on the link to double check, but I thought it was higher than that. In fact, we're going to go look at this in a second. So it says $19.99 and $14.95. But again, the premium gives you all 3. It lets you look at all 3 credit bureaus. The $14.95 only looks at TransUnion. So for $5 more per month, you should choose the premium. It's not worth it. Plus everything you get, the score builder, the score boost, the score tractor, is awesome. These tools are major. So again, this can help everybody improve their credit score. Now, I'm going to go over here to look at sign up, because now we might as well find out how much this is, because it used to be, it doesn't even say. So I will have to say, maybe they did decrease the price. But again, 7-day trial for $1. That's interesting. So there's some options here that I did not know about. But if the price is decreased, that's even better. So hopefully this has helped you out greatly. And all links are down below in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And we all know it's hard out here, and it's about to get a lot harder with credit scores. When there's a bad economy, they tighten up who they're going to lend to. So normally they will increase the credit score needed just to get a loan that you used to be able to get for, let's say, a 640 credit score. Then they're going to say what you used to be able to get for a 680, you now need a 720. So they're going to do that. So be prepared. And that's why you need to stay on top of your credit over the next year. You still have plenty of time to get everything corrected. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.